Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today let's look at a brand new 2020 SX190 Yamaha. This is a 2020 SX190 in the blue color. Popular feature on the Yamahas are the large rear deck, very popular for seating. This is a jet drive boat, single engine. Lots of interior space, dual captain's chairs. Comes with a table, has removable carpet. It's not installed yet. We just unwrapped this boat. Bimini top. Has a stereo, tilt steering wheel. Walking up to the bow. More seating. Speakers. Full windshield. This is the 2020 SX190 by Yamaha. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Come by and see us.